Hi, so good afternoon everyone. Good day. Kung nasan man kayo, I'm Chef Nathaniel Uy and with me is Chef Nancy Reyes Lumen for our second episode of
Toyo.
Toyo. Hi Chef, good afternoon po.
Hello na. Hi everybody. Sana po napanood nyo yung first trial namin and the first episode when we talked about toyo and why we're using toyo. And syempre may toyo kami sa ulo. So,
Yes.
kayo meron. So, huwag kayong
Aminado tayo may toyo tayo sa ulo, Chef.
may kanya-kanyang toyo sa ulo.
Yes.
So, regularly, hopefully, we can have this twice a month. But when there are immediate topics to discuss na mainit, diba?
Init na topic. Kumukulong topic, Chef. Nagbabaga.
Oo, diba? O kaya maanghang o makati. Kailangan,
I like that. Maanghang na topics. Wow.
yeah, diba? Kailangan mapag-usapan. Lalo na kung puro toyo ang nasa ulo ng mga tao. Today, how are you, Nax? How's everything?
Today is a slow day for me. So, saktong-sakto. Nakapag-isip tayo about our topic for today. How about you, Chef? Chef, di ko masyado napansin ang iyong earrings for today.
Itlog.
Itlog tayo for today. Bakit tayo itlog, Chef?
Ay, ayan na ang protein na pinakamura eh.
So, tamang-tama sa topic natin for today, Chef. Ano ba ang topic natin for today?
Surviving the gasoline crisis and the expenses and laughing about it. Diba?
Tama. Let's laugh about our problems. Very Filipino, Chef. Very Filipino.
Ayan nga. Diba yung iba sasabihin, ito naman talaga si Nancy, oh. Naghihirap na nga, pagtatawanan pa. Hindi. Tumatawa tayo kasi wala naman tayong magagawa. Dalawa lang pwede mong gawin. Tatlo. Umiyak ka, tumawa ka, matulog ka. Tapos. Diba?
Tama.
Yeah. So, we are going to try to discuss what are things that we can do to survive this. At the same time, how do we laugh about it? Diba? Laugh about the problems and just raise it up in prayer.
Tama naman, Chef. Kasi wala tayong magagawa. I mean, we are not part of whatever's happening. We are just nadamay na lang tayo. Kumbaga. So wala tayong magagawa. Nandito na lang natin. Pagtawanan na lang natin siya. But, isipan pa rin natin ng paraan on how to solve our own problems at home. Diba, Chef?
Okay, ikaw, Chinese ka. O, marami kayong mga practical sa buhay.
Marami tayong tipid tips.
Tipid tips, pero I don't like the usual, mga
tipid tips.
carpool or magkadilakad ka na lang. We gotta think of other ways.
Actually, Chef, nung pandemic, syempre ako, I'm taking kung ano yung ginawa namin nung pandemic nung before. Sa bahay kasi, ang nakita kong pinaka naging solution namin, we didn't hoard so much. Yung tipo kasi there's a lot of people na tipong, uy, nagmamahal na lahat, hoard na tayo. Actually, it didn't help at all. Hindi kami nag-hoard. Ang nangyari lang sa amin, we reuse what we have. Actually, ang maganda nga nung time nung pandemic, kung ano yung nasa freezer namin, we created new creative dishes out of what we have. Yun yung natuwa ko na parang tipong every morning gigising ako. Ano ba meron ngayon? Meron kaming ganito sa freezer. Meron kaming ganito. Ano yung magandang gawin na pagsama-samahin? Actually, I posted about it. A series of diary of it na kasi wala tayong magawa eh. Wala kami magawa during pandemic kundi magluto and kumain.
So, freezer mo.
I'm the Hungry Chef on Instagram. So, during pandemic, wala akong ginawa kundi magluto, kumain. Tignan ko lang ano yung meron sa freezer, ano meron sa pantry. We didn't hoard. We didn't buy a lot of things prior to the pandemic. Pero kung ano yung nakita ko na parang tipong, uy, mukhang masarap to ah. Isama natin sa ano pang meron dito sa pantry. Sa dry goods, sa wet goods, sa freezer. Yun lang. We survive without hoarding. We survive without buying a lot.
O ngayon, ano yung naman ng freezer mo na i-recycle mo or i-retoke mo?
Ngayon, ang marami, thankful lang din ako because there are brands na nagpapadala. So, ang nakita ko ngayon, marami kaming spam, which
Oh,
is a
wow.
good source of protein and fat.
Yes.
Marami kaming spam. And then, I have a lot of chicken breast for losing weight. And
Okay.
eggs.
All
So, yun
right.
yung marami ako ngayon sa bahay.
Okay.
For eggs, actually, I love cooking tortilla espanyol.
Okay.
Yung, di ba? So, it's egg with caramelized onion and potatoes. Sobrang simple but it tastes so good.
Mm-mm.
Um, and then, ano pa ba marami sa bahay
Umami pa
ngayon?
yun.
Chicken breast.
Umami ang patata.
Yes, chef. Oo, yun lang. Sobrang simple. Right now, I think ang pinaka-importante is to cook something that's simple but flavorful. Actually, isa sabaw. Sabaw, sobrang, yung mga bones, bone
Okay.
broth,
Speaking
chicken
of
broth.
sabaw,
Kasi kaya i-freezer yan, chef, ng matagal.
oo, pero
And then, pag kailangan mo ulam, labas mo lang, lagyan mo konting miswa, lagyan mo ng konting gulay. That can be a meal on its own.
kaya nga, yung sinabi mong sabaw, one dish meal, one dish ulam.
Yes,
One
chef.
dish lalagyan. Isa na lang,
Yes.
mangkok. The mangkok, practical way is eating in the mangkok. Andun na
Yes.
yung ulam mo, andun na yung sabaw mo, andun na yung ulam mo. Iisa lang ang huhugasan mo. Kung pwede nga, mag-chopstick ka lang eh. Diba?
Oo, sobrang practical yun nga. Isang mangkok, andun na kanin mo, andun yung ulam mo, whatever ulam you can find. Actually, sarap nga fried egg over garlic fried rice na malasado. Tapos kunyari may pickles ka lang sa ref, kimchi or atsara. Sarap na nun eh.
Okay. Meron nga akong I got the idea from Chef Jen Herodias, yung kanyang palabok, dinagdagan pa niya ng runny egg. Okay, kung gusto mo sarap. Kung gusto mo naman, di ka na lang ng noodle, runny egg na lang, wala na yung palabok-palabok. Runny egg, gawin mong sauce ng iyong kanin, huwag yung fried egg. Runny egg, mas maraming nakukover.
Yung malasado.
Oo, maraming pinupuntahan na kanin yun. Mas malasa pa. Maliban
May sauce ka na, no, chef?
Yeah. Actually, kahit dagdagan mo na lang ng konting chop na gulay, ulam na yun.
Okay, lagyan mo ng konting sriracha, no?
Sriracha, o kaya mag-flake kayo ng ng fish.
Pwede.
Hindi, mahal ang fish ngayon, malapit na Holy Week eh.
Mahal,
yung
yes.
Spam mo, yung spam.
Yes. Oo, pwede. Caramelized spam. Actually, spam, ang daming pwedeng gawin sa spam eh.
Yes.
You can deep fried spam, you can caramelize spam, lagyan mo ng konting teriyaki sauce o kaya sugar sa labas. Lagyan mo ng konting nori. Ang daming pwedeng gawin sa spam. I mean, it's not an everyday food for sure, but I mean, it's a versatile product.
Oh, what is the meaning of spam?
Spam? Di ba yun yung mga yan yung mga tira-tira?
Not really. It's
Not really.
special process American meat.
Special process. Bakit siya special process?
Special, no, that's really the acronym. Special process.
It's an acronym.
It is an acronym. It's for the U.S. forces before to bring them good luncheon meat or when they are active duty.
Okay.
Really dedicated to them.
Learning something new siya from you.
Yeah, well, ngayon, dahil na masyadong popular, I don't know kung pang ilang years na ang spam. Baka, I won't be surprised kung 1940s pa siya. Ilang years na yun? 50, 60, 70, 80.
80 years?
Siguro mga 80 na. Or 90. Diba? So, yun ang masarap. Or ever. At saka ang dami na ngayong varieties. Meron pang tocino.
May tocino spam.
No, kayong spam, you did that for Filipinos.
Yes.
Yeah. They really dedicated that for Filipinos. Pero, speaking of food, maliban, okay. The direct way we can face up with the gas crisis is syempre carpool, kadilakad, yung maglakad-lakad ka na lang sa mall,
Bicycle.
mag-bicycle ka, di ba? Pero kanina, I research kasi, I drive kasi.
Mhm.
Well, I was driving. Ang yabang-yabang ko, akala ko, pag pababa na yung car, nilalagay ko sa neutral. And then,
Okay.
tinanong ko sa ChatGPT, do I save gas by doing that? Sabi niya, no. Sinigawan ko.
Ano pala ang dapat, chef?
Sabi niya, no, you don't save gasoline by putting it on neutral. Sabi niya, because modern cars now, they have their own
Accelerator.
eco mode.
Okay.
So, talagang nagfu-fuel off pag hindi mo tinapakan yung gas. Pero wag mo lalagay sa neutral. Hindi talaga dapat. Kasi una muna dangerous. Secondly, naggagasolina pa rin yun.
Okay. So where do you put it?
So the best thing is don't step on the gas.
So mag-isa na siya bababa.
Siyempre, kasi pababa ka downhill. Pero just be alert. You know when to step on the brake. At saka wag puro brake. Kailangan suwabe lang yung paggalaw mo. So I learned a lot kasi syempre, magkano tinanong nga tayo ni ka-RP magkano ang kinarga ko ay 2 lines lang doon sa aking gas gauge. I already spent 570 pesos.
Your normal before the crisis, before the war?
200. But yung half ko na 1,000, ngayon 1/4 lang.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So there, that is one thing I would like our viewers to know about those driving. Lalo na yung naawa ako doon sa mga diesel. Naku
Oh
po.
my God, yes. Taas, grabe. You know what, chef? I was asking kasi I don't drive often. Lagi ako grab at saka motor, move it.
Oo.
I asked yung mga TNVS natin if nag-increase na pala sila ng price. Apparently, most of them hindi pa nag-i-increase ng price. Kasi hindi pa sila na-allow ng government to increase price.
Okay.
So for now, I think it's cheaper for you to use TNVS compared to if you will drive.
Ano ba yung DNVS?
Yun yung mga like Grab, ano pa ba mga TNVS? Movie,
DNVS.
Joyride.
Ano yun?
Mga ride-hailing applications.
Okay.
Kasi iba sila nag-i-increase ng price despite of the price increase sa gas. Yung pa rin yung price nila May iba nagtaas, I think yung iba nagmahal na. Pero like yung motor, it's the same price pa rin as before
Okay. Okay. 2 things I have to say about that. Balita ko, yung angkas, hindi na angkas. Karga na lang. Karga.
Kakargahin mo na lang. Kakargahin ka na lang. Manual na pala siya ngayon.
No, yung friend ko, si Glenn, sabi niya, yung anak niya, marunong. In the time of crisis, before alam niya na so many weeks tataas, pinu-full tank niya yung kanyang motor. Tapos, pagtaas, ibebenta niya dun sa mga tricycle. Parang tinitinig niya yung
yung gas.
Kumikita siya. Oo.
Okay.
Gasolina. So, kumikita siya sa kanyang sinesave na na gasolina. Yun lang. Dangerous pag talagang nagsusstore ka sa init na to. Kailangan you store your gasoline in a good place.
Properly. Yes, chef. Oo.
Maraming ganyan na there are many surviving tips that Filipinos, ang galing-galing mag-isip.
Totoo. Alam mo, gusto ko sa Pilipino sa atin ngayon, especially pagdating sa crisis, the resiliency of Filipinos, grabe, nakakatuwa. Kasi
Actually,
sobrang galing makaisip ng paraan in all situations.
here I'll say something. The Chinese are very practical people.
Yes.
But now, I find that the younger Chinese, the 3rd and 4th and 5th generations, are not as practical as as the forbid.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes, also. Coming from a third generation.
Yeah, they live now in convenience. Hindi nila nararamdaman yung noon na mga savings. But
Mm.
we remember a lot, like, yun na nga, isang ulam, isang lalagyan, mangkok, yun ang kainin mo na. Diba? Tapos, yung mga trimmings ng mga gulay, gagawin gagawin mo
Kapsuy.
chapsuy, gagawin mong broth, gagawin mo pandagdag.
Yes. Walang tapon. Walang tapon.
Yeah. So,
I remember from my lola before, grabe, as in tipong yung mga trimmings, lahat nagagamit eh. Which is very nice. Actually, even now. Kasi parang, even when you study in culinary school, yun naman yung tinuturo sa atin lahat eh. Don't waste. Kasi lahat yan binayaran mo. So, even the smallest piece of onion skin, ginagamit for stock. So, you get the flavors out of it. So, very, very, very timely rin sa atin ngayon, chef.
So you mentioned something that's very important. Mahilig ang tao magtapon ng balat ng sibuyas at saka balat ng onion, ng garlic.
Garlic,
Which
yes.
is, you should save that and then boil it together with your karne-karne, kung ano yun, mga buto-buto. Kasi una muna, andun yung vitamins dun sa balat, and then andun din yung lasa, manamis.
Yeah, lasa, yes.
Yeah.
Andun yung lasa for the sabaw.
Siya masyadong oil, gawin nyo na rin additional fertilizer. So that's one.
Yes.
Another one would be, iburo nyo lahat na kayang iburo. Burong kamatis, burong mangga. Ngayon,
Daming mangga.
Yeah, I know. I see it. Pero wala, tinitingnan nung iba. Siyempre,
Well, here sa neighborhood, they're allowed, the people are allowed to get mangga from the trees. Kasi daming mango tree dito eh. And then they'll say per tingi at mga 50 pesos yata, 60. Depende kung magkano tawad mo.
Kaya nakakatuwa kasi kahit sa New Manila, ganun din. Tapos meron silang...
Yes, here, New Manila.
Oo, yeah, di ba? So that, ngayon habang panahon, they can do that. And then, well, kung masyadong marami, iburo. O kaya pag naging medyo yellowish na, slice it up and make it into juice.
Jam.
Well, jam kasi ang daming asukal eh. Pero yan, hindi mo na kailangan i-juice yung matamis na mangga eh. Maano na siya. Although, yung iba, talagang they will just put a lot of salt, na konting sugar, and then tubig na malinis, like from yung distilled or yung filtered water, and you can make buro out of so many things. Secondly, yung mga trimming ng mga kahoy, nakikita nyo, basta't walang barnis, pwede kayong mag-ihaw.
Yes.
Diba?
Instead of using LPG.
Ay, magkano ba LPG ngayon?
Tumaas na rin LPG ngayon. Actually, I was watching the Senate hearing yesterday. Parang DOE is trying to regulate na rin hindi naman regulate, but they're trying to talk to restaurant owners to try to lessen the use of LPG kasi medyo yung nasa critical level na ang natin ang LPG sa country eh. Parang 2 months na lang 60 days. 60 days na lang ang meron tayong storage na LPG sa country.
So, ilabas nyo na yung inyong ihawan and napakasarap din ng ihaw. Kaya, hindi ba mag-ihaw?
Masarap mag-ihaw ngayon dahil summer din naman, chef.
And then, one of my favorite na iniihaw, kalabasa.
Yes.
Sarap ng kalabasa. I learned that pa nga, nakakahiya nga, sa Japanese ko pa na-learn. Sabi niya, you barbecue that. That's so good. And then, pag tinitikman ko, manamis-namis na yung kalabasa. Tapos
roasted kalabasa. Tapos pag may tira ng roasted kalabasa, gawin mong sabaw afterwards.
Yeah. Diba? Yeah. So, yung ganon. And then, ano pa ba? When I was bumili ako ng pandesal. And yung pandesal nasa plastic. Sa mga friends ko, i-share ko. Sabi ko, kung kung kinuha ko each pandesal, tapos irarap ko pa ng separate, kaartihan na lang, eh sa crisis naman, doon ko na rin binalik sa ano, after I put the filling of cheese and all, doon ko na rin binalik sa plastic ng pandesal. Meron pang pangsara, di ba? Yung pangsara
Yes. Oo.
Sabi ko na lang, sorry, I did not wrap it individually anymore. Pukot na lang kayo.
Okay na yun, chef. Oo.
Yeah. Diba? So that one will really say, wala, later na kayo magpaganda ng mga packaging, but that will help a lot. Diba? Lalo na plastic is also a petroleum product.
Yes. Nagmamahal din ng plastic ngayon. The
Oh?
raw mats of plastic.
Okay. Tapos yung ano, may friend ako, 4 ang pusa. Na yung ano, yung, I don't know, siguro ang gastos nila sa cat food, mahal. Ay bakit
Yes.
hindi lang nila gawin mga gulay na trimming, pakuluan, lagyan ng konting patis para magka, ano, o kahit wala.
Table food.
Instead of cat food na napaka-imported na, ang mahal-mahal pa. Minsan, mas mahal pa yung pagkain ng mga pet nila kaysa sa kanila eh.
Totoo.
Diba?
You know what, chef? In terms of kasi sa cat food, there are some vets are saying that's why formulated ang cat food. I don't know, I don't have cats, I don't have dogs. Pero sabi nila, it's formulated really for the general well-being of the animal. I mean,
No. It's really so that their poop will not smell so bad.
isa pa yun. Yes.
Okay. But, hindi, tiis muna. Mag-mask kayo.
Mga leftover mask during pandemic, gamitin ulit.
Parang hindi ma-smell. Hindi, kasi mga cat, ewan ko ba yung mga cats na yan, bakit ba sila ganyan? Pero, you know, train na cats, instead of yung kanilang lalagyan ng poop corner nila, doblehin nyo na lang yung dyaryo, tapos takban agad, bagtayan na lang sila, tapos itapon. Instead na, kasi magiging wet poop eh. Wet poop.
Table food ang kinain, chef. Okay.
Yeah. So, I think that's how it is. So, kung mahal na mahal niyo yung inyong cat, bahala kayo, no? But if you love yourself also, then you try to do some savings on dog food, cat food. Nakakatakot na ang gastos na yun eh. I saw one.
Sobra.
Gulat ko! I saw a small bag. It's more expensive than rice.
Yes.
Yeah. So, di ba, sabi ko, nakaka-tense. Yung ano pa. Iwas na sa kape. Iwas na sa soda. Huwag na munang mag-ice cream. Tubig.
Wait. Tatakpan ko muna yung tenga ko siya sa iwas sa kape. I can't.
O hindi, ganito. I-freeze mo yung coffee mo para akala mo, feeling mo, ice cream ang kinakain. Ayan yung itawa mo na lang.
Kaya nga, tama.
Gusto mo na lang yung diba? No, what will it do if you're angry with the situation? Maririnig ka pa ni Trump o ni Ayatollah?
Titigil ba nila yung war?
I hope so. Balita ko.
Titigil ba nila yung war pagka nalaman nilang nahihirapan tayo? Wala na akong kape for today. Sige, tigil na natin yung war.
Diba? Ikaw, ano pang iyo?
Sa akin, chef, very practical yung naisip ko kasi it's more of, yun nga, don't eat out if you can. If you want to go out, if you want to go to Michelin restaurants, punta na lang kayo sa Petron, Shell, at saka Caltex.
Yeah. Yun ang
Ando na mga pinakamahal na gamit ngayon sa Pilipinas.
Dalahin nyo na yung buong tropa. Pati yung mga pusa nyo, mga aso nyo, basta ilis nyo. Mag-malling na kayo the whole day. Doon na kayo tumira muna.
Yeah, doon na kayo magpa-aircon sa mall. Tama? Maski huwag kayo bumili. Ang problem kasi, chef, pag pumunta ka ng mall, napapagastos ka talaga eh.
Hindi. He was shopping. Tapos, siguro
pa-aircon lang.
Yeah, you have to lock your door. Mamaya, pagbalik mo from the mall, shinaping na yung mga things mo sa loob. Diba?
Hindi, pag pumunta kayo ng mall, dapat wala kayong dalang cash. Para sa literal shopping lang talaga. Ay, window shopping lang talaga.
May card eh.
Walang dala. Walang dala. Lakad kayo papuntang mall. Like what I always do, I go to the mall, I walk, But
10,000
yun nga, I try not to bring anything. Yung ano lang, sobrang minimal lang, just para lang to survive. And then shopping lang, walking. Because I love to walk. I mean, from house, I walk to the mall, and then ikot-ikot, and then go back. Para gano'n, just for exercise lang.
Uh-huh.
That's what I do. Ang lapit lang kasi ng mall sa akin eh.
Saan
Or
ka?
go to the gym, walk again. I try to walk as much as I can.
Yeah. Okay. That's so all these things dinadaan din natin sa tawa, yung mga patawa na nakikita natin sa YouTube and IG and do you TikTok? Nagti-TikTok ka ba?
No, I don't do TikTok, chef.
Yeah, and Twitter, kung ano man yung mga yon, like the imbis na angkas, karga na lang, or sa jeepney by kilo, kinikilo na lang yung mga tao para hindi per person.
Yung sa jeepney nga, pwede na kandong-kandong para tipid, isang bayaran na lang.
Diba? Pili pa ka. Oh. Yeah, so yung mga things that we face today, sabi ko nga don't get me wrong when I say this. Sabi ko, the people who, sabi ng isa kong friend, kawawa naman the poor. What will they do? Sabi ko, tayong mga middle class at saka yung mga high class, yan ang mga naaapektuhan. Lalo na yung mga middle class, yung mga those who are daily earners. Pero
Yes.
they are used to it and they know how to survive. Sila talaga yung survivor. Then we get the
Yes.
lesson from them. Diba? So when you learn from them, you will yung kanin nila na isang tuyo, apat na na kanin, puso, kamatis at toyo. Diba? Toyo masarap eh.
Kwento ko lang, chef, when I was still working sa corporate, nakita ko yung mga namin doon, yung mga helper namin. So we would cook lunch, we have our own lunch, they have their own lunch sa pantry. Doon ko na una nakita ever in my life, ang ginuluto nila is tinolang itlog. Sabi ko, ha? Pwede palang tinola ang itlog. So poached egg, sabaw nila tinola with all the gulay. So yun yung pinaka-protein nila. Yung isa pa, nagkaroon siya ng, ano tawag dito? Beef, yung pinaka paa ng baka, not even the kensi, yung mas mababa pa na butong part sa yun yung inulam nila. It's the collagen of the paa. Akala mo, it's, for most people, kala nila na yun, tapo na yun. Kasi balat-balat na lang yun, tsaka buto eh. But it's rich in collagen. I mean, those parts, hindi natin siya kinakain. We don't see that most of the time. Pero doon ko nakita, you just need to clean it a lot. But I mean, if you know how to use it properly and utilize it, ang sarap rin nun
Yeah. Yung sabi nga nung friend ko from Korea, yung paa nung yung sa crispy pata, hindi yung may yung dito hanggang dito yung may nails at
Oh,
yan lang.
Oo.
Halos wala nang laman. Pero puro ugat, puro vein.
Puro ugat, oo.
They made
Ang
it
sarap.
a delicacy.
We at home, we fry that. We fry that. Palambutin mo, fry it. Before nung nabubuhay pa yung lola ko, that's what we bring sa mga excursions.
Okay. Yeah. Di ba? Matagal mong nguyain, nabubusog ka na.
Oo.
Pinagkuluan, lalagay mo ngayon sa kanin, may konti kang arnibal at saka asin, or toyo, syempre.
Yes.
Toyo. Yeah.
Or you can use that stock to use your as your pancit, as the pancit base.
Or hindi, doon mo lutuin yung kanin mo. Yung kanin.
Wow.
Diba? Lagyan mo ng konting toyo ang kanin, ulam na yung kanin, dapat patungan mo.
Malasa na.
Yeah.
Oh, okay
Cooker. Hindi na sa rice cooker. Init pa, hindi ka nakukuha ng isang lalagyan ng may ulam, lalagyan ng kanin. Yeah, okay.
All in one.
So that's why, before kung meron ka pang dagdag mo, but I would say, before we finish this, let us take a different attitude about it before we away. how do I lighten my load?
Yes.
Sabi nga ng iba, kung hindi mo na kaya, matulog ka na lang muna. Total, sa bahay ka na, hindi ka na umaalis yan. Tulog mo. Itulog mo talaga. Pag gising mo, hindi ka na masyadong gutom, di tulog ulit. Hindi ako nagpapatawa. Gagawin ko yan sa Holy Week.
Are you here ba, Chef, ng Holy Week? Are you still here ng Holy Week?
Yes, I'm still in Manila.
Sobrang sarap ng Manila pag Holy Week. Walang kotse, walang traffic.
Wala rin
No
na
one's out.
konti na lang.
Everyone's resting ng Holy Week.
Hindi lang. There were many occasions na konti lang ang sasakyan sa kalye. Konti rin ang krimen. Number 1, nung si Pacquiao may laban.
Yes.
Number 2, Holy Week. Lalo na pag Good Friday, yung 3 o'clock. Pagdating ng 4 o'clock, balikan na naman yung mga... Number 3.
Saturday yan, Chef. Balikan lahat sa Manila Saturday.
Yeah. Pero last night, as I was driving, I noticed already na parang dumadami na ulit yung mga sasakyan. Meaning, ang Pilipino, ang bilis mag-adjust eh.
Yes.
So sabi ko, may traffic na naman. But right after the gasoline increase, wala talaga. I made it from Parañaque to Makati in 15 minutes. Usually,
Wow. Skyway?
35. Hindi pa ako nag-toll. Wala. Hindi ako nag-stop.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Ano lang. So, pero ngayon, medyo bumabalik yung mga ibang big car. So, anything else that you'd like to add or about the crisis and how to laugh about it?
Wala, Chef. Sa akin on my end, we've tackled most. I mean, I like your suggestions. It's very out of the box already. It's not something na naisip ko actually. I learned a lot from this podcast that I learned a lot from whatever you've shared with us today, Chef.
Yeah, kasi bata ka pa. Hindi ka pa dumaan sa sa mga hirap-hirap. Yeah, so...
The worst I gone through was the pandemic.
Yeah.
I think people older than me has gone through more worst experiences.
In a way, to us viewers, dumaan tayo sa pandemic, so nagkaroon tayo ng lessons learned. And here we are now. We are in more or less the same situation.
Yes.
We already have a defense. We can weaponize our the problems that we had and then use it now to survive and to laugh about it. So, dun po sa susunod na aming episode, announce to you the time, and we are developing our logo. Syempre si Nats at ako, tapos sa gitna may toyo. May boss ng toyo. Yeah. Next week, ang gusto ko sanang pag-usapan natin, and if you are listening and you want to share, please tell us. So, we welcome you. Yung mga limerick, kasi nga sabi ko, magpakasaya naman tayo. Yung mga limerick o yung mga saying ng mga Pilipino noon, ewan ko kayong mga bagets pa eh. Pero yung mga pot, champuradong malapot. Alam mo yun? Hindi, ano?
Hindi.
Grabe kayo talaga. Kabataan kayo. O ito pa, yung Indian pana, kakana-kana.
That I know.
Kakalog-kalog. Ayun. Alam mo yun?
That I know.
Bakit mo alam?
Pero nilalaro namin yan dati. Kasama yung part pa ba yung tong pakitong kitong? Kasama ba yun?
Hindi, kanta yun.
Kasama ba yun? Sorry.
Ito, yung parang lang. Parang let's say yung pen, de Sara pen.
That I know. I grew up with pen, de Sara pen.
Oh, alam mo rin yun. Saan ginagamit yun?
Hindi ko alam, nilalaro. Yung ganon. Pen,
how the Carabao ba, 210. Diba? So,
ba yun? Yung gawa ganon?
Hindi
Hindi ba?
Habulan, pag hinahabol ka, hindi ka niya mahabol. Yun ang kanyang pang-inis sa'yo. So, yung mga ganun, hopya, di mabili, may
Ay,
sa tabi. So, yun ang mga Pilipino concepts na nakakatuwa, na masarap maalala. So, kung meron po kayong mga lola-lolo na nanunukso sa inyo noon, can you ask them to if they remember any of the sayings, and we will discuss that for our next episode. So, we are live. Kung ano man yung mali, tama, maganda, na nakakainis, share nyo, sabihin nyo sa amin. But what's important is that you are with us for a few 15 to 20 minutes of your time. So, maraming salamat, Nats. Yung toyo mo, wag mong aalisin sa ulo mo, wag mong iisip ka. We have to survive, and kayo rin po na going through this crisis, then let's just make fun of it, or at night sabihin na, thank you very much, Lord, na nag-survive na naman kami.
yet another day. Surviving yet another day.
Oh, by the way, may pa announcement lang ako. Meron po kaming adobo leveled up class at the Maya Kitchen on Saturday from 9 to 12. These are all, hindi niyo po mahahalatang isang lasa lang ng adobo. Meron po kaming calderobo, adobo Rodrigo's Rose, adobo flakes, and adobo de paella. If you're interested, you can still catch the class. It's 3,000 pesos per person, pero we promise you, busog ang inyong cookbook, busog ang inyong mind, busog ang inyong inspiration, at busog din kayo because you will cook what we are teaching, and that will last you a lifetime. You can have an adobo recipe even if you go abroad or here. So,
Can I just say, Chef, I've tried the Rodrigo's Rose. I mean, I've tried all of your adobo, but I mean, I've tried Rodrigo's Rose and it's really good.
yeah, I know.
Hindi siya yung your traditional roast and hindi rin siya your traditional adobo, but it's really good.
Yeah.
I'm pirating it, Chef. I'll use it one time.
Yeah, you're welcome to use it sa mga parties. And I think it's one of the most popular adobos that I've ever fought. And
it's so easy to make.
Yes.
It's so classy, but it's so easy to make.
Yeah, pang party, di ba?
Oo, pang party. It's so elegant. You never realize it's adobo. It's only adobo. But I mean, it's so classy, it's so complex. And it's just adobo. You didn't do so much to it, but ang sarap niya.
I will demo one of these days para may adobo demo tayo naman. Eh, ikaw rin, i-demo mo na rin yung paggawa ng mooncake. Wala namang gagaya sa mooncake mo, mahirap gawin eh. Kaya don't worry, or you just talk about it. Some people kasi, they might want to see, ganyan pala, nilalagyan pala ni Nats ng butong pakwan, babalatan niya isa-isa.
Binabalat na ko isa-isa.
Ang tindi. Okay, anyway, so let's laugh about it because we can't do much about it now. Let's just pray and be thankful for that we're still there day to day. Okay, thank you very much, Nats. Thank you din sa our host.
Thank you so much, Chef.
And
see you again soon. See you next week.
Wednesday or next week. Basta we will let you know. We will alert you. And parati na lang may toyo sa ulo pero matino.
Yes.
Parang hindi. O sige. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Bye.
Thank you. Have a nice day.